Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayoshola Ogundele. Cutting edge and emerging AI technologies for making satellites more reactive, agile, and autonomous. The focus points are artificial intelligence technologies and cutting edge and emerging AI technologies. Artificial intelligence, the ability of a computer to mimic or even surpass human capabilities to analyze data, is revolutionizing the world in general via its cutting-edge and emerging technologies. Over the years, various philosophers who carried out various works to describe the process of human thinking as the mechanical manipulation of symbols laid the seeds of the modern AI that we are witnessing today. The initial emergence of AI can be dated back to the 1940s because of the invention of programmable digital computing, a machine based on the abstract essence of mathematical reasoning. Presently, various cutting-edge and emerging AI technologies are natural language processing, machine learning, machine perception, predictive analytics, metaverse, Internet of Things, business automation, generative adversarial networks, machine vision, and a host of others. Natural language processing drives computer programs that translate text from one language to another, respond to spoken commands, and summarize large volumes of text rapidly. It is a branch of AI that enables computers to comprehend, generate, and manipulate human language. Machine learning is an umbrella term for solving problems for which development of algorithms by human programmers will be cost prohibitive. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science which focuses on the use of data and algorithms to imitate the way that humans learn, gradually improving its accuracy. Machine perception is the capability of a computer system to interpret data in a manner that is like the way humans use their senses to relate to the world around them. An example can be found in an autopilot system which uses machine perception to detect objects, lanes, and signs, and to make decisions based on this information. Artificial intelligence technologies. The development of artificial intelligence-based technologies is advancing rapidly. AI technologies have made rapid advances in the last decade, opening possibilities for new applications in healthcare, transport, education, science, and more. As the field develops further, AI shows promise of supporting potentially transformative advances in a range of areas and social and economic opportunities. Collaboration between AI robots and humans is shown in this picture. Cutting-edge and emerging AI technologies. Some of the cutting-edge and emerging AI technologies are natural language processing, machine learning, machine perception, predictive analytics, metaverse, Internet of Things, generative adversarial networks, business automation, machine vision, and artificial neural networks. Natural language processing is the ability of a computer system to understand, interpret, and generate written and spoken language. Human communication is incredibly complex, has many nuances, and is often confusing as people use colloquialisms, innuendos, and frequent misspellings. AI-enabled systems such as IBM's Watson use NLP to understand and respond to the human language nuisance. This allows for more accurate analysis of datasets and communication of insights. Illustration of robots with AI capability for space exploration is shown in this picture. NLP, a subcategory of AI, attempts to bridge the gap between human and computer communication. Customer interaction chatbots, financial chatbots, virtual assistants, communication systems, Lego assistants, cognitive retail, personal assistant and web speech are some of the uses of NLP technology. Illustration of Simon AI robot, which was designed to assist astronauts on the International Space Station, is shown in this picture. Basic NLP tasks include parsing, stemming, tagging, language detection, and identification of semantic relationship. NLP deep learning algorithm. By taking in text or voice-based data, LLP deep learning algorithms identify and interpret linguistic features in order to perform the requested task. Some common voice-based systems like digital assistants, Alexa and Google Assistants first translate spoken commands into text. Illustration of collaborative robot, which is able to interact directly and safely with humans, is shown in this picture. Machine learning is another cutting-edge technology of AI. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that allows systems to process data and learn to improve the performance of a specific task without explicit programming. Deep learning is a form of machine learning which mimics human learning patterns so as to gain an understanding of unstructured data sets and generate intelligent decisions. The use of generative AI for coding is shown in this picture. There are two types of machine learning, which are supervised and unsupervised. In supervised machine learning, a model is provided with a labeled data set. In unsupervised machine learning, a model uses algorithms to draw conclusions based on unlabeled data. The model creates outcomes by analyzing patterns it identifies in the unlabeled data set. This is called clustering. Generative AI use cases are shown in this picture. Machine learning technologies, medical decision making, healthcare analytics, bioinformatics, emotional detection, fraud detection, cybersecurity, procurement optimization, customer interactions, optimized gaming and military planning. In bioinformatics, AI software is used to identify patterns in large data sets. For example, sequence genomes and proteomes. This analysis helps in the development of new drugs to tackle diseases by determining which proteins are encoded by a certain gene. Benefits of generative AI to businesses are shown in this picture. Machine perception is another cutting-edge and emerging AI technology. It is the ability of a system to simulate human perception of the world. AI uses machine perception to extract information from different data sources. Computer vision is a type of machine perception which allows AI to extract information from images. There are various applications of machine perception such as medical imaging, manufacturing, service industry, financial industry, autonomous delivery, transit safety, geospatial analytics, and child care. Illustration of collaborative robot is shown in this picture. Predictive analytics is another cutting-edge AI tech. Predictive analytics are used by programs to analyze historical data to predict future outcomes. When combined with AI platforms, analytic ability increases in speed, scale, and application. Example usage are in marketing, data extraction, and social network. Application of AI in space exploration is shown in this picture. Some predictive models can be used to analyze consumer data and inform marketing decisions. Magnetic, for instance, can predict the most effective advertisement to present a particular consumer and can choose to send a selected advertisement to the consumer without human supervision. Artist illustration of a crude outpost on Mars with AI-enabled vehicle is shown in this picture. Data extraction programs use AI to analyze and extract specific information from documents. Extractor, for example, allows various retail applications to extract data from receipts. This information, combined with predictive analytics, generates useful statistical reports and relevant buying suggestions for the application user. Side view of a Waymo branded self-driving car powered by AI is shown in this picture. Social networks can provide valuable marketing data, but also produce linguistically complicated datasets. In order to produce usable information, user profiles must be semantically analyzed using LLP. Companies can then use predictive algorithms to identify a customer's preferences and web navigation patterns in order to provide targeted web advertising. Mars rover having AI capability is shown in this picture. Metaverse is another cutting-edge AI technology. The digital metaverse, online spaces where people can communicate, is seeing significant advancements in AI. Any type of immersive online experience such as social networking, an online workplace, or online game are all reversed to metaverse. The digital worlds we regularly engage with are being improved by the metaverse using AI technologies. One of the main drivers of the metaverse expansion is believed to be AI. A patient-side surgical arm of Da Vinci surgical system using AI is shown in this picture. Internet of Things is another cutting-edge AI technology. It refers to the collective network of connected devices and the technology that facilitates communication between devices and the cloud, as well as between the devices themselves. An IoT ecosystem consists of web-enabled smart devices which make use of embedded systems, such as processors, sensors, and communication hardware, to collect, send, and act on data they acquire from their environments. Mars rover having AI capability is shown in this picture. The artificial intelligence of things is the combination of artificial intelligence technologies with the Internet of Things infrastructure so as to achieve more efficient IoT operations, improve human-machine interactions, and enhance data management and analytics. IoT devices provide data for AI systems for it to be able to analyze, learn from, and automate. While IoT focuses on connectivity and automation, AI focuses on analysis, interpretation, and decision making. Illustration of artificial intelligence capability is shown in this picture. Example of AI and Internet of Things are self-driving cars, which are the best example of AI and IoT-based system in the real world. The cars can predict pedestrians' movements and suggest possible measures to be taken for the cognitive sensing machines. AI-enabled IoT creates intelligent machines that simulate smart behavior and supports decision-making with little or no human interference. Combining these two streams benefits the common person and specialists alike. A patient-sized surgical arm of Da Vinci surgical system using AI is shown in this picture. Business automation is another cutting-edge AI technology. Today, an increasing number of businesses automate their business processes using AI technologies. This entails scheduling appointments automatically, automating marketing campaigns, and a host of others. Human work reduction. Business automation using AI technologies is helping to reduce the amount of human-run work. Image processing using generative AI is shown in this picture. Robotic process automation and AI are used in intelligent process automation to automate complete business operations. RPA and AI collaboration is turning out to be the essential component for effective digital changes. Using machine learning, natural language processing, and other forms of intelligent automation, IPA enables businesses to automate procedures. Impact of AI in Industry 4.0 is shown in this picture. Machine vision is another cutting-edge AI technology. Machine vision is the ability of a computer system to identify and process images in the same way a human would. Like a human, the goal of machine vision is for a computer system to not only see images but to understand them. To do this, sensors work in tandem with AI software algorithms. The goal of machine vision is to extract specific information from the image and infer meaning. A humanoid robot which works side by side with employee in the assembly line is shown in this picture. Currently, machine vision is primarily used in industry to improve automatic inspection and robotic process guidance. Bottling facilities, for instance, use a machine vision system for quality control. Machine vision is highly applicable to many industries, lowering production costs and increasing product quality. It is fundamental in transforming transportation as it plays a central role in autonomous vehicles. Illustration of robots with AI capability is shown in this picture. Generative adversarial networks is another cutting-edge AI technology. Generative adversarial networks are a class of AI algorithms used in unsupervised machine learning models. These networks are made up of two different systems, generative and discriminative. These systems are trained using known data. The goal of the generative system is to fool the discriminative system by producing synthesized candidates which appear to have come from the true dataset. Illustration of AI capability to solve myriad of global problems is shown in this picture. Artificial neural network is another cutting-edge AI technology. Artificial neural networks are a specific model of machine learning that mimics human learning patterns. These networks are made up of units that are grouped in layers. The more layers there are, the more complicated problems the network can work through. This neural system for processing information is what powers complicated machine learning processes like deep learning. Illustration of a robot that can speak and answer questions is being shown at a technology fair in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been watching and listening to Cutting Edge and Emerging AI Technologies for making satellites more reactive, agile, and autonomous, presented by Dr. Ayeshola Ogundele, with focus points artificial intelligence technologies and cutting edge and emerging AI technologies. Thank you.